Hi, I'm Randy from Randy's Phone Farm, and today I'm going to go through a good old faithful app that I use in my phone farm, Cashmagnet. So I'm going to go through a little review of what it is and some of my experiences, and then also I'm going to show you I got a payout, and I guess we'll go through that. I don't know if it's a controversy or not, but anyway, we'll get into it near the end of the video. So once again, it's Cashmagnet that I use in my phone farm, and I use it quite regularly. As we'll see when we get to the stats, what it is it basically runs in the background and plays apps automatically on your phone, and you get paid for having this on your phone. I find that it's a dedicated app. You can find some other stuff in the background, but it does use a lot of the resources of your phone, so don't expect to use your phone when this is running. This is definitely meant for a cell phone that's either off time or like we have in the phone farm, just a separate phone that's sitting on Wi-Fi. So it's free to use, and it's for last time we checked Android phones. And basically what you do is you install the programs. And now we're on the screen of my phone. As you can see, this is the Cashmagnet interface. And they always ask you now if you're enjoying it. And I've already rated them. I don't know why they still ask. But anyway, so, give them a rating. It helps bump them up in the app in the Google Play Store. But essentially what you do is, I guess you can look at the levels now. Um, you go through the different levels. I tried level 7 and 8 with rooting the phone, and I necessarily didn't like it as much because I'd say about once every month or two you have to reinstall this or upgrade it, and you have to reroute, and I found it too much of a pain for the extra few cents that I was actually making out of my phones. So I find my comfortable position is level 6, and it doesn't take much to get that. You just have to go through hours. To get to level 6, you just have to have a certain number of hours that's watched on there and or used, and then it'll allow you to go up the levels. What I'm talking about with the installs is here's the games that it plays or the apps that it plays just automatically once you start it. Then also they've got some install ones. So these are the basic ones that come with the Cashmagnet, and then these ones are installed. They're on a certain amount of time on your phone, as you can see. Some of them, they had in fishing break there. Apple will be a device for 2 more days. So you get those points of keeping them on there, and then when it needs to be uninstalled, it just asks you to uninstall them. And so then when you're ready, you've got all the games installed that it's asked you to. You also get the points when you're first initially installing the default games in Cashmagnet. But once you're ready to run it, you just hit the start. The watch and install is generally for levels level 5 and below. And so now this Cashmagnet starts, and what it does is it's just going to start running there you go. So, well, now it's on sideways, but either rate, it uses both landscape and portrait modes for the games, and it's just going to sit there now all night. So how Cashmagnet is run in my routine is I'll stop the Cashmagnet app in the morning. I'll clear out the pages that are on the app, and then I'll do a CC cleaner. I'll also close down my other apps, but pertaining to Cashmagnet itself, I'll do a CC cleaner, restart the computer, and then I'll go in. And so I can kind of show you what I do first thing in the morning. In my routine is I stop the Cashmagnet. I'll go through and I'll uninstall all the games. or uninstall all the apps that need to be uninstalled. Then I'll exit the app, and then I run my CC cleaner, and I'll run my CC cleaner, and then I'll restart the computer, and then I'll restart my Cashmagnet again and start it all over again. I also, in the evening, just after supper, I'll stop Cashmagnet. I'll hit the close all to close all the windows, and then I will restart the program. It helps to keep the glitches down. I've got some phones that don't like to run the full 24 hours. It does say your maximum time in passive mode is 24 hours, but it doesn't always work that way. So I just find it's a little easier for the extra minute or two after supper just to stop the program, clear all the apps out, and restart it again. And so as you can see, the stats of my Cashmagnet, which is one of my favorite programs, the last 7 days, my effort earned is $23.50 per hour, and I've been making 26 cents per device generally on the past 90 days. It's not the number one earner in my passive, I guess my passive list of apps, but AppFlame, which can only be run on one phone, and the same with Lucky Miners. So Cashmagnet can be run on multiple phones, which is nice because then I can make 26 cents per device per day. So either rate, I do like Cashmagnet, and as you can see, their payouts, there is a good 50 to 60 days for sure, but they do pay out. As you can see, I've got quite a bit of payouts from them over the past year, and yeah, I'm very happy with them. And now on to the payment that I've received recently. I got the usual email, as I usually do. I cash my Cashmagnet out to the Ethereum, and it takes a while to actually get paid out from request to actual payment. So as you can see, January 5th, 2020 is today that I got the email, and as you can see, I requested the payment on November 13th. So that's about 17, 40, 55 days after payment. And I requested the 2 payments. And then we'll go to my phone, into my Coinomi, which is my preferred app for my wallets for my cryptocurrency. And we'll call up the Ethereum. As you can see, 0.125360 was received. That is the 2 payments from November 13th. And now we have to send this off to turn it into real cash, or is what I usually do. So I use Shakepay, which is a buy and sell currency website. I've been very happy with them and successful. They're very low fees. They also they send it out in Interact e-transfers, so you're not piddling around with the KYC like Poloniex, which I believe is now 2.5 years I've been waiting to get on their exchange and still haven't got approved. But HIT BTC, which is in Chile, have been approved since then, and that's usually where I do my buying and selling or trading if I'm going. But if I want to turn it into just cash, I'll use Shakepay. And so I usually send all of it at once just to minimize the fees. And my normal priority, because I'm not much of a impatient person. Cash is going to get there. Okay, so here we are at the wallets. I've been doing this video here for probably 20 minutes, but so either rate, the Ethereum is in the wallet on Shakepay, and I'm going to, as you can see, December 2nd, I already got another payment as well, but this I'm going to show you with this payment here. So now that I've got it in my wallet, I'll exchange it to Canadian dollars. And Ethereum is quite a bit lower than it was 2 years ago. Quite a bit. Anyway, so, but not too bad, considering the fact that I think I cashed out $17 in November. Now it's $23 that I'm getting. So, and I'll just exchange that. Now it's in the Canadian dollar. I'll go to send it. And now it's been sent, and all I'll do is pick it up through my Interact e-transfer and put it right into whichever account I decide it should go in at the time. And so you can see that today at 10:10, well, Central Standard Time, it's about 6 minutes after I made the request, that I have the $23.31 to put into my bank account. So I'll be putting that into the account. I just wanted to show you how quick that stuff was to actually collect from. Well, once I got paid out from Cashmagnet, it was really easy. I'll leave a link to the Shakepay referral program. If I refer you guys, I'll get some money as usual. And if I can get 1 billion of you people to go, I'll get an island on it. And I tell you what, if I get 1 billion of you signing up, I'll have a vote, and we can have everybody's name on the same island. So anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.